bless America.
Gotta let you know what's up.
God bless America.
Are you asleep or are you up?
God bless America.
Trying to hit you with the news.
God bless America.
Don't be no dummy, you're a fool.
What up, y'all? It's Papa Z, and I'm back with another video. Man, Hunter Biden, the crackhead himself.
I try to kick, man. Shit just be calling me, man. Be calling me, man. I just gotta go to it.
The prosecution rested the other day. They brought a whole bunch of damning evidence. You know, even Biden's family, ex-girlfriends and all that said he was on crack. And the whole case stems from him falsifying records to get a gun. He said that he wasn't on drugs. But that ain't what the family says or his ex-girlfriend say. His dad, the big guy, Biden, he said, man, look, no one is above the law.
The American principle that no one is above the law was reaffirmed.
Now, with this case right here, man, it's a lot of incriminating evidence. Even his son wrote a memoir explaining how it was to be a crackhead. You have that laptop that was supposed to have been a fake laptop, but we all found out that it's a real laptop. You have the gun store owner, or who he bought the gun from. And some of the people in there said that they seen him mark on the application that he was not addicted to drugs. That's what this whole case is about. Him lying, saying that he wasn't on drugs. You got his nasty ass, let me say that. Excuse my language. His brother Bo passed away, and he ended up having a relationship with his brother Bo's wife. That's disgusting. It seems like the Biden family is a lot of dysfunction in there, regardless of how much money they have. So we're going to see if Biden is going to get convicted, because he's facing 25 years in prison. You know, karma is real, obviously, because his dad and his DOJ, Department of Justice, just convicted Trump of 34 felonies of falsifying business records, which were just checks being wrote to Michael Can't Tell the Truth Cohen. Checks. And then it was written in his books that it was a legal expense. Not by him, not by Trump, by his accountant. You feel me? So we're going to see if Biden gets convicted of these charges. No one is above the law, right, Biden? Not even your son. You already came on there and said that you're not going to pardon your son, but I don't believe that.
As we sit here in Normandy, your son Hunter is on trial, and I know that you cannot speak about an ongoing federal prosecution. But let me ask you, will you accept the jury's outcome, their verdict, no matter what it is?
Yes.
And have you ruled out a pardon for your son?
Yes.
Cap.
Ain't no way in hell. Ain't no way in hell that you're going to let your son do 25 years and you already done lost one of your sons already. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to see. We're going to see what's real and what's not real. So if it's not a two-tier justice system, we're going to find that out. You know? So the prosecution rested. Now we got to hear the defense. What defense do we have? He don't have any defense, because all the people that the prosecution brought up said the man was on dope. He was a crackhead. You got a rich crackhead, and then he was a sex addict. You know what I'm saying? Renting prostitutes. He spent over $1 million. Well, that's what I seen was $1 million, but they said it was $4 million on drugs and prostitutions and prostitutes, allegedly. You know what I'm saying? Alleged. But the evidence is showing that it ain't alleged. It's real. So we gonna see who is above the law. You know what I'm saying? So he just had to come on here, man. I hit 25K subscribers. I'm not gonna let my foot up off these people's neck, man. I'm not. So we gonna see if it's a two-tier justice system. And then the good thing about it for them, for the Biden family, the case is in Delaware. And everywhere in Delaware, you see Biden this, Biden that. He got Biden's mama and everybody sitting in the front row so these jurors can be intimidated. If the law is the law and nobody's above the law, all the evidence is pointing to Hunter Biden is a crackhead who bought weapons. Then the lady, what was his ex-girlfriend, she went in the car.
A star witness in a potentially pivotal piece of video evidence at the trial of President Biden's son Hunter. Hallie Biden, the widow of Hunter's brother Beau, testified this surveillance video shows her throwing away her brother-in-law's gun in a Delaware grocery store parking lot on October 23, 2018. Just 11 days after Hunter Biden bought the gun, and just after Hallie Biden said she found it in Hunter Biden's car along with drug residue and drug paraphernalia. Hallie testified, "I didn't want him to hurt himself or the kids to find it and hurt themselves. I was panicking." Prosecutors are trying to prove Hunter Biden was addicted or using drugs at the time he bought the gun, lying on this federal gun application.
And seen the gun in there and threw it in the trash can and went and threw it in the trash can somewhere. And Hunter Biden said, "Hey, where my gun at?" Made her go get the gun out the trash can, but it was too late because we had somebody over there that hadn't seen the lady throw it in the trash can and had it. And they even put him on the stand. So then he wanted to report it stolen. So that's a crime right there. Knowing the gun ain't stolen because your ex found it in the truck where the kids be driving the car. You know what I'm saying? She had to go in there and check every day to make sure it wasn't no crack and crack pipes in there because the kids used to use the car. It sound like some Compton hood crackhead shit. You know what I'm saying? That's what it sound like. So it don't matter. I don't care how much money you got. You on crack. Crack don't discriminate. You a crackhead, you a crackhead. You can even look at his picture. He already got that linked mouth. Where the mouth be linked when you on dope. So we gonna see if it's a two-tier justice system. Hunter Biden is guilty of marking that he wasn't on dope. He wasn't addicted. He already said it with his own words. So we gonna see. But anyway, man, it's getting crazy out here. It's getting crazy. It's a lot of beefs. There's a lot of things going on in the politics, and it's crazy. But, man, let me get up out of here, man. Look, like I always say, man, y'all protect yourself at all times. Keep your head on the swivel. God bless you. God bless me. And God bless America. But look, before I go, look at this shirt. Look at this. It says, "Drugs are bad, Hunter Biden. Drugs are bad." Okay?
Keep that crackhead activity.
Yeah, keep the crackhead activities, man. They bad. We don't care who you are. You broke the law. It's time for you to
pay.
It's time for you to sit it down for a minute. You know what I'm saying? But I'm out, man. Papa Z. Peace.
God bless America.
I gotta let them know what's up.
God bless America.
Are you sleep or are you up?
God bless America.
Trying to hit you with the news.
God bless America.
Don't be a dummy or a fool. They watching me like a film. Get your news, the Papa Z films. They watching me like a film. Get your news, the Papa Z films.